Good morning and welcome to the Ricoh Integrate 2017. My name is Daniel Zonkape and I would like to showcase the latest innovation which was developed between Ricoh and IBM. We call it the IBM Watson, the Intelligence Workplace. How many times today actually we sit in meetings and we asked ourselves after the meeting, what was the objective of the meeting? What have you accomplished in meetings? And basically, who took the meeting minutes and action items? Ricoh and IBM has developed a solution with the voice commands that will solve all those necessary issues. So we created a system where you can voice command your action items during your meetings. It translates text, speech-to-text recognition. So basically, it doesn't matter anymore if you collaborate with your international colleagues. They can talk your local language and it will automatically translate it into your language. IBM Watson automatically captures your meeting minutes. So it is an active participant in your meeting and it captures your meeting minutes and your action items. After the meeting, it will distribute the action items and the meeting minutes with all the attendees who participated in the meeting. So I would like to show you how actually the system is going to work. So we're going to introduce now the IBM Watson. And we set up a new meeting. Now we have to create a meeting. Today we call this meeting Huddle. Once we actually have our meeting name, we have to now include our attendees in this meeting. So I select now two different participants in this meeting. So now I'm selecting Mike as my participant. And I select Jane as another participant in my upcoming meeting. Once now I have my attendees for my meeting, I select now who's the leader of my meeting. In this case, I will select Mike as our leader. Once I selected now my attendees, the meeting is now starting. So as you can see, I have now my action items. As usual, I can import files through the normal functionality of our whiteboard, or I can ask through a voice command, in this case we call her Rita, if she can add a presentation. So now I will add another file to my presentation file. So Rita now automatically through a voice command add another template into my presentation. Rita, delete file. As I've mentioned before, the system works with voice command. So I have the opportunity to give different voice commands to Rita. So Rita works automatically with voice recognition and you can zoom in automatically without getting up from your desk and fulfill the request manually on the whiteboard. If needed, I can automatically send from my meeting emails to all my participants. So all my participants in this meeting will come up here and I have now the opportunity to send from Ricoh's interactive whiteboard an email to all my participants. If needed, I can print from my whiteboard to my next connected printer through a voice command and all my settings of my MFD will come up. If needed, I can create automatically action items through voice commands. All the action items will be after the meeting shared with the participants in the meeting. So if an action item is not clear in this sense for Rita, you are not allowed to end this meeting because you have an owner of the action item and a due date. So Rita will ask you before you end the meeting, who's the owner, for example, for the specific action item. If now my meeting is ended, I simply press the button End Meeting. And automatically, I see all my action items we have created during the meeting. And these will be shared automatically in the email with all participants in that meeting. Once the meeting is finished, an automatic link will be sent to all the participants with the link to my meeting notes so that people can review what was discussed and what were the action items agreed during this meeting. That's the latest solution in a collaboration between Ricoh and IBM. Thank you very much.